Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to learn how to find the doer. Doer. We learn there are two types of doer: inside doer and outside doer, right? So if the fi'l is in huwa ho here version, and if outside there is rafa, that means it has outside doer. Outside ism as rafa, it is outside doer. But if not, it is inside doer. So the first one is takhruju. Takhruju. So takhruju is here takhruju and anta takhruju as well. I'm going with the here takhruju to make it easy. So here takhruju means there is a possibility because here version, who and here version have the possibility. There can be outside doer. So check anything is rafa, min nafahim. There is nothing rafa here. So it is here takhruju. Who's doing the act is here. Number two, dakhala jannatahu. Dakhala is huwa dakhala. So it's past tense, huwa dakhala. So there is a possibility there is outside doer. But jannata is nasib. It is not rafa. So who's doing that? Huwa is doing that. There is an inside doer here. Huwa dakhala. Huwa is the one who's doing the act. And next one is sayakulu. I told you the sa is for the future. So remove the sa to understand. So yakulu is the present tense. Yakulu is huwa yakulu. So there is a possible outside doer because huwa and here version has possible outside doer, and you need a rafa outside. As-sufahahu. As-sufahahu. So there is a rafa. So who's doing the yakulu act is sufaha is doing yakulu act. So there is a outside doer here. The next one is nakusu. Nakusu. Uh, when you say nakusu, it is nahunu version. So nahunu version cannot have outside doer. So who's doing the act is we. Nahnu is doing the act. Okay. Number five, there are two nahunus are there now. Nahunu is outside is there, and also inside the nakusu there is another nahunu. So why there is two nahunu? So that we will learn when we learn in the Quran. That will be interesting for you. Number five is kala Musa. This is huwa kala. So there's a possibility the outside doer is there. So Musa, you need a rafa now. Musa is rafa, yes. Musa can be rafa, Musa can be nasub, Musa can be jar. But here we will assume it is rafa because it is huwa version and is Musa is there. So we assume it is Musa is the person who did the act. Number six, yuridu. Yuridu. Yuridu is huwa yuridu. So huwa yuridu means there is a possibility outside doer. There is a word Allahu, but it is rafa as well. But the problem is it is before the yuridu. So outside doer, something to be outside doer, it has to be after the field, not before the field. Okay, it has to be after field. So huwa yuridu, there is no outside doer after the field. So who's doing that is huwa. Okay, you cannot say Allahu because it is before the field. So outside doer has to be after the field and rafa. These are the conditions. It has to be after the field and it has to be rafa. The next word is number seven. Kalu rabbukum. Kalu rabbukum. Kalu is huwa kala, huma kala, hum kalu. So hum version. So who's doing that is whom. Because to have outside doer, you need to have huwa or here version. Even though rabbu is rafa, it is not the outside doer because he is not the outside doer because kalu is in whom version. It is not huwa or here version. Number eight is yudrikum. Actually, it's yudrikukum. Yudrikukum al mautu. Yudrikukum al mautu. So remove the kum. So you know yudriku is huwa yudriku. And there's a possibility outside doer is there. Check al mautu is rafa. So who is doing the yudriku act is al mautu. So it is rafa. Outside doer is al mautu. Yuridullahu. Okay. Now this is the opposite of what is above. Yuridullahu. Yuridu is huwa yuridu. And Allahu is rafa. Allahu word is a rafa. Who's doing that? Allah is doing that. Okay. So this outside doer is word Allahu. Number 10 is Masha Allahu. Masha Allahu. Huwa Sha'a. Huwa Sha'a. So there is a possibility outside doer. So word Allah is Rafa here. So who's doing the Shah act? Shah act done by Allah. Okay, Shah mean willing. Okay. So huwa sha mean he is willing. Now Allah, since Allah word is rafa, you have to remove the huwa and put Allah word there. So Allah willing. Okay, Allah willing. So ma mean what? Ma mean what? So what Allah willing or whatever Allah willing, you can say. So mashallah mean whatever Allah wills or whatever Allah willing. That's the idea. Next one is kaifa fa'ala rabbuka. Fa'ala. Huwa fa'ala. Okay, huwa fa'ala. So there's a possibility outside doer. Rabbuka. So Rabbu is Rafa. So who's doing the fa'ala act is Rabbu because outside doer is Rabbu. Nahnu muslihuna. Nahnu muslihuna. There is no fi'il here. Nahnu is ism and muslihuna also ism. Number 13 is Agtaduna. Agtaduna. So Agtaduna is like Nasarna. So who's doing the act? Nahnu is doing the act. So there is no outside doer for Nahnu. Ida jaa nasrullahi wal fathu. So here ja is huwa jaa. Huwa jaa. So there is a possibility there is outside doer. Yes. There are two rafas are there. Nasru and fatuhu. Both are rafa. So there are two outside doer for this. One is Nasru and one is Fatuhu. Nasr mean help and Fatuh mean victory. So victory and help both are the doers of the Ja fi'l. Okay. Fama rabi'at tijaratuhum. Tijaratuhum. So rabi'at is, we can say here rabi'at. Here rabi'at. So there is a possibility outside doer. So tijaratu is rafa. If you remove the hum, tijaratu is rafa. So there is a rafa. So rabiat act is done by tijaratu. Next one is ahata bihim suradikuha. Suradikuha. Ahata is the fi'il. Ahata is the fi'il. You need huwa. This is huwa ahata. So you need you can have a external doer, outside doer, and check bihim is not doer. And suradiku is, if you remove the ha, suradiku is rafa. So who's doing the act of ahata is suradiku. Now this is one example that I told you. The outside doer does not have to be near to the field. It can come after two words. So it's coming after bihim, right? It can after three words. It can come anything after rafa. It's fine. It doesn't have to be close by. That's the idea. Number 17 is satajidu ni. So remove the sa, tajidu. This is huwa tajidu. Ni is not a rafa. So tajidu. Anyway, tajidu here. This is not huwa tajidu. Here tajidu. So it can have outside do a rafa, but the ni is not a rafa. So this is, you can say here tajidu, or even you can say this is anta tajidu. Both are correct. Okay, because ta starting with ta, ending with u can have two answers. You know already this. The next one is number 17. Sorry, number 18. Istat ama. Istat ama. This is past tense. Very difficult word to pronounce as well. Huwa istat amu. Huma istat ama. Hum istat amu. Right? Huwa nasara. Huma nasara. Hum nasaru. Like that. So istat ama. This is huma istat ama. So who's doing the act is huma. Both of them. Because huma cannot have outside doer. Huma version. Next word is number 19 is yawmaluna. Obviously yawmaluna is done by whom yawmaluna. So act is done by whom. They cannot have outside doer. Jaa waudu rabbi. Jaa. Okay, jaa is huwa jaa. So there can be for huwa version there can be a rafa outside. The doer outside is waudu is rafa. So who's doing the jaa act is waudu. Number 21 is dalla sayyuhum. Sayyuhum. So dalla is huwa dalla. So sayyuhum, remove the hum. So sayyu is rafa. Sayyu is rafa. So who's doing the dalla act is sayyu. Number 22 is yakhsabuna. Yakhsabuna. So yakhsabuna starting with ya, ending with una. This is whom. Whom cannot have outside rafa. And also anyway there is no word after it. So this is who's doing the act is whom. Number 23, Ja'ahu al-Aghma. Ja'ahu al-Aghma. So remove the who, understand Ja. So Ja is huwa Ja. So there can be possible outside doer. That is al-Aghma. Al-Aghma is like Musa. It can be Rafa Nasib and Jar. But here it is coming after huwa version will give the benefit of doubt as a it is Rafa and it is the doer of the act. So number 24, Alimat Nafsun. Alimat Nafsun. Alimat is like Huwa alima, huma alima, hum alimu, hiya alimat. It's like hiya alimat, past tense. So hiya alimat, that means there's a possibility someone is doing the act. It has to be rafa, it has to be after, and it has to be feminine as well because it is hiya alimat, right? So nafsun is feminine. Nafsun is feminine, it's rafa, and it's out next to the alimat. So nafsun is the doer of alimat field. Okay. So a simple theory. Okay, try to understand. It's very easy. So you need to have whoever and here version. It can be past or present tense. And if there's a whoever here version and outside ism is there rafa version, that means he is the doer of the act. That's the idea. Subhanallah wa bihamdi, subhanakallah wa bihamdika, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu.